Okay, so obviously we had the great news yesterday that Skipton have produced this 100% mortgage for renters who are looking to get into the property space and own their own property. So now the dust is starting to settle on that great news, I thought I'd give you a few more finer points that are in the criteria that you might not be aware of. So I'm going to take these straight off the lender's website here and just so you know what you're looking at so you can get excited if needs be. So both applicants have to be first-time buyers and aged over 21 years old. You have to be been paying rent for the last 12 months consecutively out of 18 months. So just so you can prove that obviously you've been paying a rent, you can afford it, that kind of thing, because that's what it's all based around. You're proving to Skipton that you've been able to afford this rent, no problem. You've not missed any payments on it. And so they're going to think, yeah, fair enough. Now on that, your mortgage payment cannot be more than the rent you've been paying. So, you know, think about that. So you speak to your mortgage advisor, work out how much the mortgage payments will be, and then see if it will actually work out. You can only borrow up to 600,000. Now that probably won't be a problem for most first-time buyers. I mean, that's quite a big amount, to be honest. You also cannot get it on a new build flat. So that's an interesting piece I've not seen others mention. But apart from that, you know, if you are putting down a deposit, you can only put up to 5% because this really is designed to be effectively a 100% mortgage, but you can have it as a 95% or lower as well, or more even. You mean, you know, 95 to 100, that's the bracket I mean. So, I mean, it's a great product in all honesty. You can't have had any missed credit payments in the last 6 months. So you've got to be very clean on your credit score. They are going to be quite choosy on this. You know, you've really got to meet those criteria. But if you do, I think it's really worth a conversation with your mortgage advisor. And yeah, certainly have a look at this one.